Hi guys, well this morning we're replacing a front coil spring on this BMW X1. Let's get into it. First thing I've done is remove the plastic trim and then do the five 13mm bolts holding the top mount on. I haven't fully undone them, just loosened them off and we're going to slide underneath. Now we're under here, we can see that the spring is well and truly snapped. It's dropped down underneath the shoulder or the spring cup here, so get that off. First thing I'm going to do there is remove that 8mm all the way down there on the height sensor. Then you just want to give everything a good spray down with some maintenance spray and give it a clean with a wire brush. Get any yucky bits out of the threads to make it easier to come off. Then we're going to undo the drop link here. We're going to use these parrot nose locking pliers from Laser Tools. It just holds the shoulder so it doesn't spin, and then just impact it off. Now to undo the pinch bolt holding the shock into place. Now being this is quite a young car, all it took was the weight of the hub to drop it down, so the shock is now free. Now come to the top and finish undoing these 13mm while supporting the shock from underneath. So I didn't realise the 16mm bolt was also holding on the top mount. Springs genuinely scare the crap out of me, so I've compressed that. I haven't recorded it because they scare the crap out of me and I don't want my wife to go for my phone one day and see that my head come off with a spring, so I don't record them. But that's compressed, stick it back on the vehicle. And don't forget, springs are meant to be changed in pairs, so once you've torqued everything down, put all the trim back on, take it for a test drive.